This is Master GongSun, and I'm gonna try to show you what the family cat has caught. See, cats are natural hunters, and our family cat has caught something. He's eating something right now. I don't know what he's eating. Hey, away. Smile one away. See, I wish that the conditions were a bit brighter, but he caught some sort of like worm, or maybe it was like a lizard, or what do you call it? Gecko. Geckos are very common here in all of Southeast Asia, really. See? Because cats are natural predators. So I don't know where it went now.